Sharira Abhyanga Karma, Oleation Therapy. Abhyanga is a part of Bahya Snehana. According to the Acharya Vagbhata, Abhyangam Acharet Nityam Sajara Shamavataha Dushtiprasada Pushyayushaha Swapnasutva Katya Dadyakrut. It is a process by which person's body is oiled with the medicated oil with specific pressure and movements. Abhyanga has been considered as important part of the external snehana. The fatty substances used in this therapy are for the purpose of lubrication, anointing or oleating effect on the internal as well as external organs. This treatment has qualities like restfulness, strength, invigoration, cognition. Abhyanga is mainly done with substances like tilataila, grita, vasa, majja. But vasa and majja are rarely used nowadays. Method of Abhyanga. Abhyanga should be done with lukewarm medicated oil or ghee, prepared with the aromatic and doshagna drugs suitable to the season, prakriti, disease, doshas, etc. It should be applied slowly, gently and in direction of hairs. Abhyanga is done particularly on head, leg and ear daily. For the Abhyanga, on the head cold lukewarm oil may be used because head is the place of all senses and it is considered as the most vital part, hence it should be protected from the heat. Abhyanga on the limb should be applied with warm oil. In this way, Abhyanga may be administered with warm oil in cold season and with cold oil with hot season. Abhyanga may be applied in direction of hairs on relatively broad and large organs. Should be done in round pattern on joints like elbow, shoulder, knee and ankle lumbar joints. Abhyanga should be done in following 7 positions: sitting position, supine position, left lateral lying position, prone, right lateral lying position, again supine position and sitting position. Sitting position. In sitting position, patient should be sit on the Abhyanga table by facing towards the east and his spine should be erect and legs are straight. He should be free from discomfort or the disturbance. Supine position. In supine position, patient should be lie on his back on table, face should be upside and palm should be kept aside. Left lateral position. In left lateral position, patient should lie on left side of his body. Prone position. In prone position, patient lie on his stomach and back should be upside. Right lateral lying position. In this position, patient should be lie on his right side. Then again supine position. After that, sitting position.